give me hell back in Hades. Hey, little songbird, can't catch your tongue. Always a pity for one so pretty and young. When poverty comes to clip your wings and knock the wind right out of your lungs, ain't nobody sings but empty. Songbird, you got something fine. You shine like a diamond down on the mine, and the choice is yours if you're willing to choose. See as you've got nothing to lose, and I could use a canary. Hey, little songbird, let me guess, he's some kind of poet, and he's penniless. Give him your hand, he'll give you his hand to mouth. He'll write you a poem when the power is out. Hey, why not fly so